I think you're getting into a dead end there, darling. Where are you going to go? Right, you created your own way out. Well done. Or not. You might need more than a finger to push that out your way. There you go. You're doing it. That's it. You'll be able to go now. You can fit through that. Maybe not sideways. Right, eat into the couch, darling. Are you not going to push your koala baby about now? Are you all shy? Thank you. Can Mummy have the teddy too? There we go. What about koala? Is it not wanting to get pushed about? There you go.